What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on Swag Bucks here. I'm gonna do a cash out. I'm going to cash out $25. All right, now you see here I have 2,318 points. That's really equivalent to $23.18. But I'm going to cash out $25 because I'm going to get a discount, and I'm gonna show you how you can do the same thing when you cash out. All right, so real quick, let me give you a tutorial on how I make this money every single time I'm on this site. You see here the home page, it automatically shows you the surveys. And the good thing about this site is their surveys offer bonuses from time to time. You'll see here, on this survey, this 14-minute survey, 50 swag bucks, but they're giving a bonus of 25 cents, which is equivalent to 25 swag bucks. So all of these surveys that they're offering have discounts. You know what I'm saying? There's lots of them. So pick which one you want to do. You complete it, and you'll get the not only the swag bucks, but you'll get a bonus. So you see here, this one right here is a good one. 20-minute survey, 150 swag bucks plus 75. So basically you're getting 225 swag bucks for this 20-minute survey. And like I tell you all the time, like the time limits are just what the average person is doing. If you're fast at answering questions, you can get these done in a lot, sooner than they're saying. So you might get that done in, 10, 15 minutes. Just depends on how fast you are at answering questions. So that's how I really make the bulk of my money. They also have other things you can do on here. If you go down, you'll see like different offer walls you can participate in. If you go all the way down, let me see. Matter of fact, let me go back over to, because I passed it right here. My bad. I'm just trying to show you some stuff right here to discover. Click on that, and you see different offer walls here on the side. Now this is what I'm trying to find. When you scroll down from here, it'll show you different things that you can do. I'm trying to let my computer load up real quick, but the offers down here, they have Revenue Universe, Ad Gem, Offer Turo, Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs does offer disqualification points, as does the survey. So those surveys that I was showing you that have all the bonus, swag bucks, they offer disqualification points. Even when they don't offer the bonus, for everyone that you attempt, you're going to get at least a penny if you get disqualified. So you're making something for every survey, even if you get disqualified. So that's really good. So you can continue to build your money. But I just want to show you guys that as far as like the different offers that you can do. On this site, you can also play games. You'll get paid to play games based depending on how long you play it. Like they'll say, okay, you can earn 2 swag bucks for playing this game for a certain amount of time. So you're getting paid to play games. Really good with that. You can get paid to shop. Click on this right here. Show you some things you can buy things online, and obviously get swag bucks for doing that. So I don't really do this that often, but I'm just show you real quick some of the things you can do. Is I know there are a lot of people out here that like to shop online. So you'll see if you buy things online, like if I buy something from the Home Depot site online, I'll get 4 cents cash back, 4% cash back. So whatever I spent, it'll put it into my swag bucks account. You see here there are lots of ones. Those are just the recommended ones, but you scroll down, you see obviously there's a lot more. They also have in-store cashback offers. You know what I'm saying? You can view them all. There's lots of them. So just for the purpose of time in this video, I'm not going to show you all of them, but you can just kind of play around with it. If you're interested in shopping online, definitely look at this site first, so that way whatever you're buying online, you can also make money from doing that. All right, so really good site overall. Like I said, most of the money I get comes from surveys. Doing offers. They also have an app that you can download. You can watch videos on the app. I know there's a lot of people like to watch videos. You can also do that. There's not a lot of money in watching videos. I just want to be honest with you, because the more people are doing it, so they kind of, the earnings are not really that good there. But there's still something. If you want to just watch videos from time to time, you get paid to do that. That's still money there if you're interested. So like I said, I'm gonna do a cash out on this video real quick, and I'm gonna go over here to rewards, and they have discounted rewards all the time on this site. And I usually cash out with the discounted rewards. You'll see here on sale reward. These are my favorite rewards because, obviously there's a discount involved in them. So what I always like to do, I usually cash out $25 when I'm on this site. I go here and get this $25 Visa gift card. Now, before I do this, they do have PayPal, they do have Amazon, they have all kind of different, gift cards for stores that you can, get. But I just like to check out the on sale rewards because I just want to, get the most for a little. So basically what you see here, I'm getting a $25 reward card, and I'm only giving them 2,175 swag bucks. So obviously it's a discount. There's 13%. So I'm gonna click on that real quick, and you see it just shows you you know, basically some, you know, what you're going to be getting, all that kind of stuff, instruction, blah blah blah. But I've done it so many times. All I do is claim reward, and when I claim reward, my address and stuff is going to pop up. So I'm gonna put the camera down here, and all I'm going to do is confirm my address, which is there. Then I click on continue here, and you'll see just like that, I have to verify it. So I have to answer a security question, or I can verify by email. I'm going to actually do my security question by email. Well, I'm gonna answer it here on this site. So let me put the camera down here one more time. It's gonna take like 2 seconds. Now verify, you see there, verified, and it's on its way. So I'm just gonna just basically wait for my $25 gift card. I'm gonna click on no thanks, just because they're gonna offer you something every time you cash out. But the thing is, they're gonna send it to you in your email, usually with like in a couple days or whatever. So I mean, easy money. I got $25 coming my way, and I still have 143 swag bucks. That's equivalent to $1.43. On this site, they have minimum of cash out of like $1. If you want to do PayPal or Amazon, you have to get like $5. But I mean, for me, I'm always getting $25 on the site. So I mean, it just depends on what you want to do. There's lots of opportunities in the surveys and offers and things like that. So just kind of play around with this site. Like, they're always offering bonuses. The best time to do surveys is when they're offering the bonus, because it's like doing, you know, one survey but getting paid twice. So I definitely highly encourage you guys to sign up. The link to this site is in the description. Sign up with the link, and you will get a bonus when you sign up. And start earning those swag bucks and start cashing out all the time, just like I am. I have so many videos of me cashing out in the site, usually at $25, because that's kind of my goal every time I get on this site. So lots of different things you can do. I didn't even mention that you can get paid to search. You just go in the search bar and you just type in, you know, different search words or whatever, and you can get paid to do that. It says rewards over here, but if I go down, you just click on regular stuff. Just search the web right there. You know, just do that. You just search anything, you'll get swag books for doing that as well. Like once a day you can do that. So that's another little opportunity to make money. But like I said, this is a $25 Visa gift card. I get paid with them all the time as usual. And I highly encourage you guys to sign up for it. Again, the link's in the description. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts.